Change is like an itch you need to scratch. You could ignore it, or you could scratch it. Change is amazing, depressing, liberating, sudden, frustrating, beautiful, but necessary. Change is a constant until it isn't. And when it isn't, then you'll find yourself in my position, in desperate need to change.
Basically, I feel like I'm going through something in my life, and that made it feel like I really needed a change. So I just did it. I changed my hair.
First I cut it.
Wow.
Then I bleached it. Twice.
Want everything, right?
No, I don't want my roots done.
And freaked out a little.
Oh, fuck. Ooh, this is happening for real. It's been a week. This is how it turned out. About to bleach it again.
I even toned it a bit. But I regret that because the smell could be effectively used in battle. Then I dyed it green.
This is my hair. It's green, and I literally ran out of hair dye when I was doing it, so I had to use the blue hair dye that I had. So I kind of just like wove it in randomly. I have green hair now. I got 2 piercings.
I got my conch pierced, then my tragus, and I also got a tattoo.
And I did it. And I think it's good to change, you know? It feels good to change. You might freak out a little bit in the beginning, but overall, I'm pretty happy with what happened. So basically what I'm trying to say is, when you feel like you need a change, act on it.
Listen, life is hard, but it's a pretty cool thing once in a while. And if getting tattoos and piercings are in your means, and you enjoy them, then why not treat yourself? Maybe even do it with your friends. What I'm saying is, sometimes in life you'll get sunburned, and it's really gonna hurt for a little bit. But eventually it'll start to heal, and you'll have the most satisfying scratches when it does. Happy 2018, y'all.